Cheers lads, happy World Cup. We are now in the Mama's German restaurant in Legian Street. Maybe you know the place, because German food is the most similar food to the Polish food, European food. Actually, where I'm coming from, Poland long time ago was the Prussia, which is our food is very similar. So whenever I'm coming here, I feel a little bit like I'm eating the Polish food. Even it's not, but closer than Russian food, for example, or Lithuanian or something like that. Anyways, today we are in Legian. It's already 6:30 p.m. Soon gonna be night. So we're gonna show you everything about the nightlife in Legian right now, end of November 2022. Also, as the bonus, is the World Cup, so quite a lot of people in the bar sitting today watching the football match. As currently, I think that Australia is playing with somebody. Unfortunately, no Poland today, maybe on different occasion. All right, as you can see, it's quite busy today in Legian Street, but obviously it's Saturday night, so it's supposed to be busy. Actually, it's supposed to be busier than it is. Let's see if it's any nightlife today in Legian or anything like this. Currently it's a little bit the traffic, and in the bar was quite a lot of people, obviously, right? Okay, so this is the pad and all of this stuff, regular stroll. I'm gonna tell you, yeah, the people watching football because Australia is playing today, and obviously this area is popular for the Australian communities, like I already mentioned, and that's not a secret. And overall situation on the streets looks like this one. Some taxi drivers, some shops, some buses, you know. If you go more into that direction we are heading now, we're gonna find maybe some nightlife. Let's see, but I don't know. Some bars, some restaurants, some live band, two mates only, two lads only sitting and enjoying, people driving on the footpath, loud music, you know, regular stuff. And then it's the empty gap without any building, and it's actually not even traffic, anything, kinda dead at the moment, I gotta tell you. And the taxi driver is always asking you for a ride. Yo, what's up, buddy? How you doing? How's the business? All good? All right, and this is the Legian, the only one club bar what is open currently, nothing elsewhere. Hello, how are you? And pretty that's it. Not much is going on. This guy's still thinking as I'm gonna drive with him. I have to make a video. I drive by myself anyways. And this is not a Bluebird, by the way. This is like a different company taxi. You know, have to be careful. This guy has to negotiate with him. You have no matter. That's just tip for you guys. And then we have a situation here, some shops, massage parlors, some 2-3-star hotel, budget hotels. Overall situation like this one, not that much is going on. The massage lady is waiting for you. Flamingo 99 cafe, some small bar, somebody open, but also not much is going on. Maybe because they don't have a TV, so people nowadays are interested about the watching football. There's the big bus with the local people, probably, most likely actually. You know, check-in or something, coming back from the beach or from the tour, from the trip, and that's it. Dharma Hotel Legian, somewhere there must be, or something like that, I think, but kinda dark.
One thing that I realized in Legian is that the volume of the transportation is a very big. You see, like even from one car to another transportation, it's just like this one. But the volume of the tourists who walking on the street is not as busy as in Ubud.
Actually, saying behind you is nobody. Empty wall path, walkway. It's only people driving. All in, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go more. Let's see if any nightlife here. All right, this is like a legendary place, Warung Gmina, since 1994. So many of you may remember this place. There are some people, obviously, but not so busy actually. And on the other side is the deck one, the one Legian, some hotels. Starbucks is open, loud music. There is like a, I don't know, some sort of shop. You know, you can find the regular stuff. Silver shop here, some bags, some kids on the bicycle. Check this out, how he's boarding the bicycle. Gonna sit on the steering wheel. Maybe next time. They have no shoes actually. And there is the spa, and there is the mate with the fresh tattoo on his arm, enjoying his morning afternoon walk. And the one Legian, check this out. They're actually mostly local tourists coming here. Mostly actually this area is popular for Indonesian and Australian people in general. That's in the short. However, this Saturday, almost 8 o'clock, it's supposed to be busy actually. Pre-pandemic times at 8 o'clock on Saturday was crowded. I mean, like really crowded. But currently, I mean, the kids enjoying the I hope so. They are just a little bit more careful because I don't want to see as somebody crash into them. However, yo, what's up? How you doing? All good?
Hi.
Yeah, see ya. And you know, and like this. And here is like a kids park, so I have to walk on the street. In case if you ask me why I walk on the street, because the kids park their motorbikes here. And this guy nearly crashed into me. However, you see, pretty empty. There are gap here. Next on the list, we have a coffee pot. Some people here inside by the bar enjoying. Actually, there are only two guys. And to be honest, nobody else is inside the coffee pot. One of the first restaurants, cafe in Legian Street, on Legian Street. And well, basically there are more kids, local kids walking on the street than any kind of tourist guys. Seriously, like not much is going on. Let's see, maybe closer to the Sky Garden area, closer to Kuta actually. There is the one Hotel Taman Ayu bar, which people watching the sports. Like I said, there is today the match. Actually every day currently, right? Because it's the World Cup. Some people enjoying, and I can see an overbus. Bus. Seems like ladies enjoying their time. Bus and bus. In Germany, I think, or in Holland, they have it, but they're recycling. This one is they are transformed the old buses. You know, they transform into the beer bus. But you can see even so many buildings are still abandoned. Even this Australian-owned tattoo shop. Even they forgot to take a suitcase with them back to home. You know, it's like deadly quiet still in Legian. There is no party actually anywhere. Not much is going on. Really not much, except that as you can find some other tattoo shops, probably local owned, not Australian owned in this occasion. And the currency exchange, in case if you ask, looks like this one. Here we go, guys. Next, there was the Bintang bar long time ago here, but currently it's open permanently. Nothing is there. Yo, what's up? How you doing? So as you can see, actually there is more businesses closed right now, end of November 2022, than I was expecting. You can see so many gaps where everything is actually closed. And it's gaps were actually quiet like during the pandemic times. Unbelievable, actually, very quiet. Hanover X Bar. Yo, what's up? This guy recognized us before and we are having lunch. Empire 83 or 36. It's totally closed, nothing really happened with this. There is the Indomaret next to the, you know, VIP and Sky Garden, but all of these things actually closed. Sky Garden is closed for a long time. VIP is closed since past few months, so I don't know, guys. Not much is going on. I don't think so. You can find any nightlife in Legian currently. That's why many people going for nightlife to other parts of Bali, like, you know, especially Canggu. But again, in Seminyak you can find something. But Kuta Legian, except the few sports bars, I don't think so. You can find any nightlife, guys. Seriously. This is the Bomb Monument here. Many people coming, making pictures, especially local people for some reason, as always actually, but this place is, you know, very special for some people, obviously. VIP, as you can see, is coming soon, but I don't think so any construction. They just put the big fence and pretty that's it. Sky Garden is at the front. Some bar here is open, but this is only bar. It's not like, you know, it's not like nightlife. It's just the bar, people having a drink or something like that. And this is already, you know, VIP Sky Garden. This is the Poppies Lane here. Not gonna say which number because I forgot which number and last time. Are you sure? Because people will come and correct you, you know. Last time. Anyways,
the same.
Poppies Lane, and this is Sky Garden for everyone. Sky Garden is closed already for a few years. This is not about the pandemic times. It's just closed because of many other reasons. Well, and nothing really changed. Also here on the other side, opposite way, supposed to be other bar, also is gone forever, like literally, and only 5GX still exists here, still open, but I don't see any people, you know. Okay, and then we have some bar here, but like I said, bar, engine room is open, but in engine room there is not even single one person, like totally nobody. So I don't know. The last chance is there, Banti discotheque and Paddy's. If there is nothing is going on here. Okay, the last chance, the last hope, what is here?
Take it.
Magic trick. The last hope what is here is Bounty discotheque and Paddy's pub. And I'm gonna be honest with you, at that time, before pandemic, it's supposed to be wild party here. Like a wild party, wilder than the Bui Vien in Vietnam. But currently seems like Bui Vien in Vietnam or Khao San Road in Bangkok. Definitely much better not mention about the Patong, right? Paddy's also not much is going on. I think these people only who are sitting by the bar, they're actually security and the waiters because they don't drinking anything. So seriously, like, okay, these people coming, so that's the only hope. But there is no any kind of party, no any kind of wild party or any kind of dances or any entertainment like it used to be. And this is already Kuta, so that's how it is. Not much is going on.
Let's say compare with the Bui Vien Street in Saigon, and this one is the Legian Street, which was famous. I said which was famous for the party street. But you see, if we compare it, only cars and motorbikes.
This guy is trying to sell me something again, but I'm more curious, interesting about this stuff. But they are quiet today, already tired maybe, but still enjoying at least.